Hello again, welcome back to another video of my Datsun 1200 Ute Sunny Truck project. If you're new to the channel, this is my 1980 Datsun 1200 Ute. In this video, we're focusing on the interior, the last piece of the puzzle. In this video, we'll be installing the seats, we'll be installing some rubber mats, a new center console, other various components that make up the interior, and bringing a close to the build after 8 long years. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and as always, please leave some comments below. Here's the current state of the interior. Kind of bare bones. No carpet, no mats, no center console, no kick panels. I have all these parts, so I'm gonna install them today. I got new trim for the bottom. I gotta put the trim on here. So I got a lot to do to finish up the interior. So let's get to it. New seat belts, new handles. These are all carpets I got used from overseas. So we're gonna go clean these up, get these ready to put in. By the way, these are custom seat brackets I made and welded up myself to adapt these seats to the 1200. These are aftermarket seats, and nobody really makes. I've seen some adapters in Japan, but not necessarily for these seats, but nobody really makes them, so it's not something you can buy, unfortunately, for aftermarket seats. Like I said, there are some in Japan for certain brands over there, but these are pretty generic seats, so I had to make it myself. As you can see, there's not much to the interior, just a place to bolt the seats, and we have some wiring and seat belts. These seat belts were not very good, to be honest. They're just really cheap, and they're actually from, believe it or not, a military vehicle, and I thought I could use them for the 1200, but I must have measured wrong, and so I had to use these adapters, and so they're not working out too good, so I'm going to change them up with some new ones. If you didn't believe me, those are for, I believe, a Humvee from the Army. So you can go look it up if you don't believe me. I bought this DYNAMAT to reduce road noise. I'm hoping to help with the road noise because driving this thing is super loud. This does say door kit, but I'm going to try to use it for the floors and see if I can do both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that. What the heck is that? Must be for the door. Just gonna hit some of these bare metal spots and some of the screw holes with a little bit of paint. I'm pretty much following these instructions, but the funny thing I see here, DYNAMAT is designed to reduce noise by eliminating yada yada yada. DYNAMAT is not designed to eliminate noise caused by mechanical problems with the vehicle. Damn, man. That's the whole reason I bought this. Came with a free sticker, so we're gonna slap that baby on. And no more perfect spot than our door panels, custom made. Where are we gonna put it? Right there. DYNAMAT equipped. That's 5 horsepower. That's about roughly how it lays out for one sheet. The kit comes with 4 sheets, so it's not gonna cover the entire floor, but hopefully it's a lot better than nothing. So I'm going to cut it to shape and start getting it down. Oh, paint's still wet. Let's let that dry first. Look at this fine, lean, green machine. That's for another video. Alright, here's our interior mats. This is the back side of them, and I'm gonna power wash these and clean them off. I'm gonna spray them down with some cleaner first, power wash them, away we go. I don't think there's an easy way to do this. Just kind of get it close. Ooh. Oh man, that's sharp. Watch out for that stuff. Oof. Just cut the shit out of my finger. They say to use a roller tool, so I'm gonna go try to find one. My DYNAMAT official roller tool. Alright, first sheet's down. The rest of sheet 1 down. Stuff is crazy sticky, I will admit, and sharp, because it's basically a sheet of metal on basically double-sided tape, like a really thick sticky double-sided tape. case you're wondering what that is there, that's for my transmission. Because, well, that's kind of a long story, but the short of it is the factory mounts, somebody cut them off and I had to do something custom, and that's what I came up with. Here it goes up in the firewall area, so I'm going to see if that fits. Yeah, probably would have been easier before the heater went in. Not today, at least. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Alright, DYNAMAT's in. Yes, I am fully aware I did not do the entire floor. That's all the material I had, and I could always put in more down the road. That's what I could afford at the moment, and that's what I put in. So there it is. It's getting there. Alright, looks like I had that one over there backwards, so flipped it around. We're good to go. Get everything laid in right now. Not exactly sure how I'm going to attach it to the floor. I don't really want to screw into the brand new floor pans. I'm going to leave it. I think I'm going to put the seat belts in, the new ones, see if they work. Get the seats in and see how we go. Alright, seat belts in. Gonna get the seats in now, and we're pretty close to wrapping it up. I want to introduce you to my friend. His name's Sunjo, and he's a good little tool to blow dirt around. I'm gonna blow the seats off, get the dirt off of them too. Real quick, I'm gonna take some Nissan factory tape here and tape down those wires so they don't move around. Don't mind the Gorilla logo. That's 70s Nissan vintage logo there. Oh yeah, that's strong factory Nissan tape. Basically on there. This is the coin tray, as it's referred to, and this goes down in between the seat and the rocker panel there. This right here is a custom center console that a friend of mine got in Ecuador. Somebody down there is making these custom with cup holders. That's what I really like about it, is it's got cup holders in it. So I've always wanted cup holders in this. I bought a little magnet thing that goes on the door, but it doesn't work too well, so I'm pretty stoked that I found this. This was a center console that came with the car, and then I put the leather boot in, but I glued it in so it's not coming out. So, but I like the new one better. Alright. This is where we got the DYNAMAT in down there. You can see a little bit. Floor mats, center console mats, handbrake cover, seats back in, and we're rocking, we're rolling. Yeah, pretty happy. Custom headliner. So that's where we're at, folks. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're closing in on the final end of this project, and I'm happy to complete it after 8 long years and move on to another exciting new project. Stay tuned for more.